6:39 p.m. here with Kirby and David, and we are dialing up the adventure meter on this trip a little bit. So we're doing a night launch heading for Coches Prietos, Albert's anchorages on Santa Cruz. So we'll be motoring overnight. We're lifting the main. Is it spinning? Is it spinning right there in the tailer? Hold the top of the, yeah, just give it a tug. You don't have to hold it. So these mast steps, the halyards, yeah, it's still around. Keep it coming down. Yeah, so we've got 15.5 knots right now or so, which is pretty good. Discount the current or whatever, but our speed over ground right now is 6.5, 6.6. It's a little bit after midnight. We've got about 45 miles and some change, and all is well. So I'm just making a little bit of hot tea here. It's cooled off a little bit, and that's about it. So we'll keep pressing on. Okay, it's 2 o'clock. We're about 34 miles from Santa Cruz Island, so we're still cruising inside the shipping lanes. We're continuing to put more distance as we head further north.
5.3 miles to go.
5.3 miles.
Yeah.
Pretty good view of Anacapa back there with the sunrise. Look at that sunrise.
Getting better by the second.
4 or 5 miles to go until we get to our anchorage. Morning. It's about 7:30. That's Coches over here, I think. I see a rock out front. I think that's Bowen Point. So we'll figure out autopilot and scout out the anchorage here slowly, see what we're in for. Probably drop the bow hook and then see what we want to do with the stern anchor. We'll probably attempt a stern anchor. We're in 67 feet. There we go. Got her in reverse. Okay, I don't think we're going anywhere.
Put down or?
Yeah, that's good. We're gonna drop it
We're
down.
gonna drop it some more.
We'll drop it down another 15 feet or so. All right, we're all snubbed in. We're gonna try this on single hook since we're pretty far out. It's pretty chill, so we don't really need to crawl in and hunker down and hide. We're probably in 65, 70 feet of water. We'll find out. What's the depth say?
71 feet.
So 347 yards according to the range finder.
Might have a way to do it.
Usually the first step on cooking with keel dragger is to move the fire extinguishers down. Evidence that breakfast was cooked. All right, heading ashore at Coches. This solar panel is indigenous to Santa Cruz Island. Maybe a little nest in there, like with those steps or something with the camera. We won't disturb it. It's cool though. We'll see. Okay. So we've done 6 miles. I mean, I'm good to hike more, but I think 6 out and back. That's 12 miles.
Good.
Yeah, let's call it.
Call for
All right.
For right now.
Barely any of us are wet. I wish we could have gotten that all recorded. That was hilarious.
Barely any of us? What the fuck you talking about?
Way to hang on there, Kirby.
Got it.
Nice job. That was an excellent recovery. For the record, this water is cold and deep too.
I'm just rubbing it in, but I'm flying over your ass.
I did, and I changed antennas and I could hear him perfectly. Yeah, well, you're on the amateur radio frequencies, and you can't transmit here without a ham radio license. Your maritime license isn't good here, except if you had an emergency, if you wanted to declare emergency, like your hat's starting to float or something out there, then we could talk to you, but otherwise we can't. Over.
All right, copy that. We'll cease transmission. Killdragger out.